The Dreame L20 Ultra Robot Vacuum revolutionizes home cleaning with its advanced features and powerful performance. Boasting 7,000 pascals suction power, it effortlessly eliminates dirt, dust, and debris from various surfaces. Its fully automatic base station ensures uninterrupted cleaning sessions by automatically emptying the dustbin. Equipped with Pathfinder Smart Navigation, it intelligently maps out efficient cleaning paths, while MopExtend technology ensures thorough edge cleaning. With auto mop removal and raising, washing and drying capabilities, and AI obstacle avoidance, this vacuum offers a comprehensive cleaning solution for every home. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful suction. This vacuum boasts an impressive 7,000 pascals suction power, ensuring thorough cleaning of various surfaces. Whether it's pet hair, crumbs, or fine dust, this vacuum efficiently eliminates dirt, leaving your floors spotless. Number 2. Fully automatic base station. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its fully automatic base station. This station not only serves as a docking station for recharging, but also empties the vacuum's dustbin automatically. This means you can enjoy continuous cleaning sessions without worrying about emptying the bin manually. Number 3. MopExtend Edge-Cleaning. Equipped with MopExtend technology, this vacuum ensures thorough edge cleaning, reaching even the most difficult-to-access areas. Say goodbye to accumulated dust and dirt along baseboards and edges, as the Dreame L20 Ultra efficiently tackles every corner of your home. Number 4. Pathfinder Smart Navigation. With Pathfinder Smart Navigation, this vacuum navigates your home intelligently, mapping out the most efficient cleaning paths. This advanced navigation system ensures comprehensive coverage and minimizes the chances of the vacuum missing any spots during cleaning sessions. Number 5. Auto mop removal and raising. This vacuum simplifies maintenance with its auto mop removal and raising feature. When transitioning from vacuuming to mopping mode, the vacuum automatically raises the mop to prevent unnecessary contact with carpets or rugs. After mopping, the mop is removed automatically, making cleanup a breeze. Number 6. Washing and drying. Efficient cleaning isn't just limited to vacuuming with this vacuum. Due to its washing and drying capabilities, the mop attachment ensures thorough cleaning of hard floors. After use, simply remove the mop for washing and drying, ensuring it's ready for the next cleaning session. Number 7. Self-emptying and self-refilling. Gone are the days of manually emptying the vacuum's dustbin and refilling the water tank. With self-emptying and self-refilling functionalities, this vacuum takes care of these tasks autonomously, allowing for uninterrupted cleaning sessions and minimal user intervention. Number 8. AI Obstacle Avoidance. Equipped with AI obstacle avoidance technology, this vacuum navigates around obstacles with precision, preventing collisions and ensuring smooth operation. This feature enhances the vacuum's efficiency while protecting furniture and other objects in your home from damage. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Dreame L20 Ultra Robot Vacuum sets a new standard for automated cleaning. Its powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and advanced features like self-emptying and auto mop removal make it an invaluable asset for maintaining a clean home. With its ability to adapt to various surfaces and obstacles, this vacuum streamlines the cleaning process while delivering exceptional results. Whether tackling pet hair, crumbs, or dust, this vacuum ensures thorough cleanliness with minimal effort required from the user. Embracing innovation and efficiency, this robot vacuum is a must-have for households seeking a hassle-free cleaning experience. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.